If your quiet moment turns into a hiccup concert, you're not alone. Let's break down why. Hiccups, those unexpected hic sounds that pop up out of nowhere. It's like your diaphragm just decided to do the cha-cha without asking. Your diaphragm is a muscle that helps you breathe. Sometimes it gets irritated, maybe from eating too fast, drinking something fizzy, or a sudden temperature change. When it spasms, you get that classic hic sound. Your brain can't always control it. It's like when your buddy photobombs your perfect selfie, totally unexpected and often hilarious. But hey, they're usually harmless and go away on their own. So next time you get hiccups, just remember, your diaphragm's got moved. Stay chill, health enthusiasts, and keep those diaphragms dancing. Catch you next time. Stay healthy.